Hey everybody, how's it going? So I'm working on setting up my new Yuba. I changed the fork here. I went to a bunch of bike shops that said it's impossible to do this. That bikerescue.nyc guy literally did this whole thing inside of, I think, like 20 minutes. You know, he put my new handlebar on that I got, the new headset that I got. But the whole idea that it would be, quote, impossible to put a suspension fork on this bike, he literally did it in front of me in 20 minutes with a smile, took my money. The last thing is I forgot to ask something, and that I'm hoping maybe I can get some answer from you. So in order to put the brakes on, because there's a 180 millimeter rotor, I need to have this little this spacer thingy. So if you don't have the spacer thingy, then you can only put the 160 millimeter rotor on. But that bike has a 180 millimeter rotor, so I need this thingy. And the problem I'm having is that I know it as a thingy. I don't know what it's called. I went to Trek, Sid's Bikes, in this place right by where the Williamsburg Bridge is when you enter Manhattan, and all three bike shops. Well, one of them didn't know what this is. The other two said, we don't have it. I have no, and all the ones I'm finding, they're not spacers. They're the ones where they have the screw mounts on the side. I don't want that. I just need this spacer piece that just kind of sits between the post on the fork, the thingy on the fork, and the brake itself, so that there's space there so that I can have the larger rotor on. Because like right now, if I try to put my brake rotor on here, like, you know, see, like it needs a, yeah, see, it needs a spacer, or else it's not gonna fit. And I really would like to buy this from a local bike shop. A lot of people say just go to your local bike shop. There's this mythology of the local bike shop that actually knows what they're doing that doesn't exist. It's Manhattan and Brooklyn. They're here to sell you a new high-end bike or change your tire. But like anything that's not sell you a new bike or change your tire, you're just not gonna get an answer to or anything for. So what is this thing? Because I'm finding all the ones where there's like screw holes in the side, like this shit. But this is not what I need. I don't want the thingy with the screw hole on the side. I need the thingy with the... yeah, this thing. It's literally just a copy of this thing. If you have a link to it, I'd highly appreciate it. Thank you for tolerating my Plzbroing, and I'll see you all in the next video.